In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung Wallet without a bank account. To start, open the Samsung Wallet app on your device. You'll see the app icon, which usually resembles a wallet with a blue and white design. Tapping on this icon will launch the app and bring you to the main interface. This interface is user-friendly and visually appealing, making navigation straightforward. You will notice various options available to you. This is where you can manage your cards, tickets, and more. Opening the app is essential because it sets the stage for everything you will do next in your Samsung Wallet journey. Once the app is open, look for the option to tap Add. This button is usually located prominently on the screen. By tapping on Add, you will open up a menu that allows you to introduce various types of items into your wallet. This step is significant because it is the gateway to customizing your Samsung Wallet according to your needs. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you begin to populate your wallet with useful cards and passes. Now you can choose from a list of items to add to your wallet. Membership cards, loyalty cards, gift cards, boarding passes, tickets, digital keys, and IDs are all options available to you. Each of these items serves a unique purpose. For example, loyalty cards can help you earn rewards at your favorite stores. On the other hand, boarding passes store your travel information in one convenient place. Adding these items is important because it enhances the functionality of your Samsung Wallet, making it a versatile tool for everyday use. After selecting the type of item you want to add, follow the prompts on your screen. You may need to input some information or scan a barcode depending on the item type. For instance, when adding a gift card, you might be required to enter a card number or scan the card directly. This process is vital as it ensures that your cards are accurately represented in your wallet. Completing this step will provide you with easy access to these items at any time, streamlining your transactions. Next, keep in mind that without a linked payment card or other supported payment method, Samsung Wallet cannot be used to make purchases in stores. This is a crucial note to remember. While you can utilize many features of Samsung Wallet without connecting a bank account, the ability to make contactless payments requires a debit or credit card. Understanding this limitation helps set realistic expectations as you explore the app's features. Once you have added your desired items, you can easily access them from the main screen of the Samsung Wallet app. This feature allows you to view all your cards and passes in one place. It makes managing your digital wallet incredibly convenient. You will appreciate how quickly you can retrieve a membership card or boarding pass with just a few taps. This organization is not only efficient but also saves you time when you need to show a card or ticket. In summary, using Samsung Wallet without a bank account is entirely feasible. You can still take advantage of various features including loyalty cards and tickets. Just remember that for contactless payments, you will need to link a supported card. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Samsung Wallet, making your life just a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful.